Hey Hannah, I just wanted to send a quick video to you. Maybe this will help get you in here a little quicker. This is the gray Kona. Does have the LED wraparound headlights and everything. The wheels. It's the SEL. So again, you know, you're gonna get the little quick access to get in. Does have the blind spot monitoring, heated seats, push button start. This is the one you more or less wanted, just not the blue, but you did say you would take the gray. Again, we'll make you a really good deal on this thing today. Hannah, please come in here, see me. Let's put you in this Kona. Give you a good view of it again. Call or text me when you get this video, okay? Thanks.